Heavy rain and strong winds lashed Vientiane's Hadxaifong district on Wednesday very early morning, damaging hundreds of homes, restaurants, and buildings alike.
The storm began at early morning at 5 a.m. and lasted for about 30 minutes, leaving minor injuries and hundreds of houses and buildings without roofs or power. Speaking to our news team via the phone, District Governor Bountham Phoutthavongsa confirmed that over 563 households in total 13 villages were affected by heavy rain, hailstones and wind. The villages of Somsanouk, Salakham, Dongphonlao, Donkhasay, Nongvaeng, Dondou and Donkhasay were hardest hit. Educational institutions including Bountham Lower Secondary School and Salakham Primary and Secondary Schools also suffered damage. The rain and wind blew down trees and fallen utility lines, creating traffic difficulties in the morning commute. Roofs of houses and buildings and advertising signboards along the roads were blown over. With more rain likely, it was a race against time for many householders and business proprietors as they busied themselves with makeshift repairs to houses, shops and buildings. The cost of damage bill is estimated over 10 billion kip.